What are we doing today?
Hey YouTube, what's up? We're gonna walk through how to change the weather stripping on a 1997 Tacoma. So first thing you want to do is you're gonna come over here and you need to take the mirror off. So to take the mirror off, this little guy right here, this is from a 4Runner, but it fits right into a Tacoma. Now what you want to do, there's just a little thing in the top, like a little, yeah, there we go. See this guy right here, that just pops right out of there, so don't be afraid to give a little tug on that pops right out. And then you're gonna see there's 3 bolts right here. So those 3 bolts, you got your 10 millimeter socket, and you're gonna screw those out. Be careful to screw them out, not in. And as you're screwing them out, what you want to keep in mind is those hold. Oh, sorry, excuse me, just a moment. I don't want to waste your time, YouTube, but my friend Rob is talking to me. Hey guys, come say hi to YouTube. So yeah, you got your 10 mil, and you're popping these out, and like I was saying, what you want to keep in mind is these hold the window in. So as you take them out, not the window, the mirror. So these hold the mirror in, and what you want to keep in mind is you're taking the bolts out that hold the mirror, is that they do hold the mirror. So you're going to want to cradle the mirror. Now, you got it? All right, thank you, darling. So now, another little side note for all you out there in YouTube land. This right here is not standard on a Tacoma. It's off a 4Runner, but it does fit. It'll pop right in there. So for you audio files, this may be a modification that interests you. Grab one of these right off the 4Runner and pop a little tweeter in there and wire it up to your home stereo system. So, all right, you got that? All right, so now YouTube, as I remove this, you'll notice that the mirror pops right out. Beautiful. So now that we got the mirror, make sure you put the mirror somewhere where it's not gonna get damaged. Speaking of damage, now we gotta remove this, the old one. Now, what I would recommend here is just yank on it. Don't be shy. You're gonna break it. That's okay, because you're putting a new one in.
Put that new one in there!
Yeah, so it might break, but you're okay. Throw that on the ground. Who needs it? Give it a kick.
Look at him go!
Now, if you probably got some dirt in here because you got a 1997 Tacoma. This probably hasn't been taken off before, so you can get in there with a rag and just clean that up. While we're in here, I recommend soaking your rag in a little bit of water. Clean that up. Now, all you out there in YouTube land, I don't want to waste your time, but I think this rag needs a little water. So if you follow me over to the tap here, you're gonna get some water.
Go get some water!
Yeah, gotta get some water.
That's important stuff.
Get some water. Any water will do. I recommend clean water, but if all you got is dirty water, that'll work.
Wait, hold on. You guys are gonna have it all to yourself, right?
I don't know, man.
Yeah. Why? Because you want to.
Once you got your water, you can just give this a little rub down, clean that up. Now you might notice that it's still a little dirty. If that's the case, maybe use a different part of your rag to go back over and clean that up, and you just want to get that all nice and cleaned up. Now, one thing you might have noticed is there's a little plastic piece that's stuck in there. What I'm gonna do is get a flathead, pop that out of there. So, all right, YouTube, if you follow me.
Unfortunately, like I had no idea what it was before, and I was like, "Fuck, I gotta go see this." And then it was like, "That's the thing. That's the thing right there."
Get a
Flathead.
keep them. Doing a YouTube how-to video.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, come on, YouTube.
Follow him.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and
That's right.
subscribe. Now I'm just gonna get in there and
It's all about the likings. What about the moms?
see now if you'll notice that just pops right out of there. It's a flathead. Don't try and do it with a Phillips or any of those other newfangled shapes. The Canadians with the Robertson heads, you don't want that either.
What's a Robertson head?
It's like a little square one. You don't have them in America, but it's a fantastic screwdriver head. Invented by a Canadian, used by Canadians everywhere. All right. Now,
No, how? How did they?
here's the old one.
Well,
Don't need it.
Guys, did they have something to do with it?
there was 3 men.
Where'd I put that new one?
Sitting in a bar?
There was
Bear with me, YouTube. I forgot where I put the part.
You checked your butt?
Harder than it looks.
What kind of part is it? Big part,
It's
little
like
part?
the one that I broke, but new and ready to go in there. Now, YouTube, let this be a lesson for you. Take note where you put your parts.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Huh?
Hi.
There we go. We got it. We're back in the game here. All right, YouTube. So,
He's gonna have some heavy
All right,
editing.
YouTube. All right, YouTube.
what you want to do, this will pop right in here. Now, what you'll notice is this is going to line right up there, and then you'll see that you got a white thing and a white thing and a white thing and some holes. You just want to move these plastic pieces over so that when your stripping is correctly aligned, these white plastic pieces will pop right in there. So now that we're aligned, we're gonna just pop this in. And now this is just gonna slide right in there. You'll hear a click when it's in place. There's the click. And new weather stripping on your 1997 Toyota Tacoma. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think. Thanks, YouTube.